Hi and welcome to this Die Designer video tutorial. For this video we are going to look at the Misumi lifter pins, or MLP. If you watched the previous video, it was the Misumi pilot lifters and today's will be the lifter pins. Very similar in the dialog box, just one's a lifter, one has a pilot hole in it. So yeah, just to run you through this real quick, MLP brings up the lifter pin dialog box. We have our different diameters, and these are everything's in metric with the Misumi components. So I do have the decimal inch equivalent in parentheses for the diameter, and same for the pin length. You know, we got our 28 millimeter pin length. There's the decimal equivalent, and as you adjust the slider, you know, that updates in real time. We have a few options for the placement, plan view, where you're just like lifting stock material. Hidden plan view, where the top of the lifter pin's underneath something like a pressure pad or something like that, and these are being used as a transfer pin rather than a lifter pin. And then our profile view. I will start with the profile view. Let's make it an 8 millimeter diameter, and I know my die yoke is 1 inch thick. So I am going to, let's change the length to 1.098 and 4/10. So I'll click OK. I am going to snap to the middle of this die yoke, the direction to the head, and then the length down in the command line. It's prompting me with what I had entered in the dialog box, so I'll accept that. And yeah, it draws it in. So little cleanup, and there it is. You know, if I wanted to put a spring and a cap screw of some type beneath it, you know, I got 3937. Oh, let's see, unified. Let's use the 1/2 inch profile. Okay, we got the unified. Let's put a spring in here, SG. Let's put a 3/8 die spring of Danley blue in the profile. Yeah, little cleanup. Little cleanup. Yeah. Yeah, so there it is. Yeah. Now to put it in the plan, put that lifter pin in the plan view, MLP. Let's go to plan view. Let's put that spring. Let me check the length on that spring. 1.8, 100, some preload. Okay. SG. Plan, 2 inches. And let's put that unified in the plan view. 1/20. Okay, so yeah, so let's move this into a lifter position, and we will go off the middle of the die yoke. Oops. Off middle, and let's put it in line with those low heads. So yeah, there you go. If I were to balloon it, leader balloon, split leader balloon, we'll start with balloon 1. And I am going to link it. Let's just leave it at that. I know we got a spring behind it, we got a unified behind it, but I'm not going to do that now. Let me also, okay, So we're going to go down to our the bill of materials would be. Design aids, bill of materials. And yeah, there's that single Misumi lifter pin, catalog numbers, and purchase components. If I erase this, and if I copied this, now there's 5 of them. And now I went back and did my bill of materials. Now 5 required detail 1. So yeah, kind of cool. Let me show you what it transforms into. MLP. Well, actually, I'll show you through the help system. If you click the help button, it gives you our description of the command line, which is usually quicker than going up to the menu of MLP. The menu location, the different intelligence, you have the touch command, object transform, and I just showed you the bill of materials, notes. Quick note, these lifters have an undercut where the body meets the head. I kind of like that because you don't have that radius you have to clear for on the whatever hole it goes through. And yeah, and on the object transform, which is what I'm going to do now, the plan views transform into a precision hole of the pin diameter plus 0.025 millimeters or 1,000. So yeah. So let's put one of these in. And the diameter of the pin is 315. Let's do object transform. And you'll see the diameter is 316 now. So if I did HD, well, let me show you from the command, menu system. Whole table or HD, the select option. And yeah, you can see it's a 0.316 inch diameter hole through slip fit for the lifter pin. So yeah, kind of cool. And thank you for watching. Have a good one.